Because they're America. If we do something, they nuke us. Whoa.
Why are you so bad at placing?
Be quiet.
Do you want me to do it?
No, we're good. We're good.
I'm back, everybody. I'm back.
No.
Yeah, go banning.
Rules apply.
Yeah, I'm spectating the dude that killed all those KPA.
And
Like I'm leaving. I was just like, nah. What a guy. God, who keeps doing that? Can I be one of the checkers?
Yes, you can be one of the checkers. Wait. You'll be the king when it.
I want to be.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, we'll just make you the king when they reach the end zone.
Okay, I'll be the king.
he'll be my king. Mine.
It's you, Chris.
Mine. Nope, not moving that one.
Christ, you guys are playing way too defensively. Come on, get out there and lose some
That's
pieces.
how you win.
Nope.
No,
Not
you
this
get out
time.
there and lose pieces immediately. Let's see here. Oh no, Jipper's in a spot to take some pieces.
Shh.
Mm-hmm.
Thinking.
I've been watching for a while.
I attend esport level games of online checkers.
Okay, here's the
Jipro.
thing. I know
Jipro,
there's one.
If you do
I
it,
know
you can get
there's-
2. If you do what you're thinking of, you can get 3 even if you do it correctly.
No, wait. Let me look here.
Too bad, Jipro.
Chris.
I don't want to interfere because I'm just going to be like a king on whoever makes it the final first.
Oh, jeez. Oh, wait. Sergey, if I'm looking at the one that you're thinking of, then I can only get 1 and I'll immediately lose that piece.
Yeah, but if you do that, then you can get, after he moves it, it won't be in position to block it, so then you can move, you can take 2, yeah. So do that. Take his piece and throw it over there into hell. And then if he responds the way that you'd think he'd respond, you could get an extreme overkill on him.
Look, that guy over there sitting on a long, hard, black chess piece. Look. Look over there. Look over there. Look.
Good game, everybody.
It's like a black
Did
cock.
you already move a piece?
No, I didn't. Yeah, no, I'm still
Balls,
thinking.
Tim.
Big black cock. Big black cock.
How did I lose? It's been like 2 turns.
There you go. And...
Please get back in the room.
Alright.
Hey, put this logboard,
Yeah, you can
put
do
one
that
above us and then
there.
one right where it is. Put another one right way above us so that I can read it. Place another one.
Wow, what a guy.
We have a
1 kill, 2 kills, king me, bitch. Sergey, come over here, baby.
Motherfuckers.
When I want you to kill piece, you're gonna shoot it, okay, Sergey?
Okay. Yeah. 1 sec, I need a shotgun.
Get like the most overpowered one.
There we go. I've been officially king, gentlemen.
No, stop!
You could have just told me to move.
Alright.
Yeah, just tell me where you want me to move and then I'll move there. What you gonna do, Jim Bro? What you gonna
See
do?
here. Hold on.
I could ass rape in pieces.
Go to this spot, this one right here, the one I'm looking at. Look, Sergey. I'm pointing at it. In the back. Go back one. There you go.
One?
Yeah, you're good right there.
Okay. Fight me! Fight me, Jipro!
Let's see here.
Fuck that shit. I didn't even see that
Yeah.
shit. I'll help you out. I got
We
it.
need another player. Or something.
That's fine, it's fine.
Or weld 2 pieces together.
Oh, just get like a rook piece from the chest thing.
Oh,
Dude, I'm
yeah.
kicking butt.
Cause like we're gonna. The fuck?
I backed him.
Oh, I wanna remove this piece.
There you go. There's your king. Oh, that works.
No! No!
Look what you did!
And you guys killed the guy.
And you killed someone!
Dang it, Timmy.